Hi everyone. So today we will discuss about. Already we have discussed about in business studies. We have discussed about planning and its steps. Already we have discussed about the planning concept. So in the diagram, it is given clearly. Planning bridges the gap between where we are in the present status and where we want to reach. Means we are thinking about the future, what we are planning to achieve in the future. So, planning bridges the gap between the present and future status. Now, let us once read the concept already we have discussed. It is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is to do it. And it bridges the gap from where we are to where we want to go. That is what we discussed in the diagram. Now, we will discuss the features of planning. So, first of all, it focuses on achieving objective. Means every organization will be having an objective. All the business organizations are there to achieve the objective. So, in planning, the main focus, because the planning is objective oriented. Now, the next feature is planning is the primary function of management, means it is the first function of management, and all other functions are done after planning, or all other functions will start only after planning, or all other functions are done within the framework of planning. The third feature is planning is pervasive. Pervasive means the presence of planning is everywhere in the organization. Means generally we may think, okay, planning work will be done by top level management. It's not like that. Planning will be done by top level management, middle level management, and even at a lower level management. Top level will do the plans for the whole organization. Middle level managers will do for their department. Lower level will do for daily activities. So planning is required in all the levels and in all the organizations. That is why it is a pervasive function. And it is futuristic. As the definition say, planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. It means that it is futuristic. Then the fifth point is planning involves decision making. When we discussed the meaning of planning in the previous section, in the previous session, so there we have said we will fix a target in planning, and then we will select the best alternative, because to achieve the target many ways will be there. Means you can achieve the profit through different ways. So which option or which alternative is the best, that we have to select. That is the essence of planning. So that is why planning involves a decision making. You have to take a decision, you have to select an option. That is why it is says that planning involves decision making, and planning is a mental exercise. It requires high level thinking, intelligence, etc. And planning is a continuous process. So that is why every year we will be having plan, because planning is not a one time activity. It will change according to the time, according to the situation. So as soon as the organization works, planning is also a planning is an endless activity. Every year we will be having new plans. So planning is a continuous activity. So this is all about the features of planning. Thank you.